Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be teaching a Twitch streamer named FanFan how to code. And yeah, I would say that coding is pretty cool and for anybody. And I made a video about it before and nobody cared. So today, like always, we're going to be trying to make it a little bit more interesting and entertaining. And yeah, if you guys don't know me, my name is Nang. I study at CMU. And today is going to be a beginner lesson. So if you don't know anything about coding, this will be perfect. And if you do know something about coding, hopefully this will be entertaining. I think she said that she had a little bit of coding experience before, but we'll just roll with it and see how it goes. But yeah, that's about it. Let's head right in. Yo, what's good everybody? I'm here with FanFan.
Hi.
So we had a little bit of time to chat already. So I think like we're good to head into the coding. So why should you learn coding? So I feel like this is a pretty important thing if you like to get started. And I think three main reasons for me, like why I like coding is like, one, you can make really cool stuff with it. Two, makes you think in kind of a different way. And three, it can be very fun.
Are you lying? Okay, no, every single person I've talked to who does coding hates coding.
No, there's no cap. It's fun. Like we're about to find out how fun it can be right now. So the next part is like, first, what is a computer program? A computer program is instructions for the computer. So like, let's say you have a to-do list, right? In the morning, you kind of just go through and do each step in order, and then you're done with your day. So when you write a computer program, it's like a to-do list for your computer. All it does is it goes line by line and it executes what you want it to. And it gets more complex than that, but that's the basic gist of it. The first thing that we're gonna learn is a print statement. So a print statement is when your program can output whatever you want it to. So here it's going to print hello. So basically the environment that we're in is like, this is our program. And if we want to run it, all we need to do is click this run button. If we run this, what do you think is going to happen?
Am I doing it?
I don't know.
Am I doing it?
Oh yeah, you did it. You just have to click it once.
I'm spam clicking it.
You're good. All right. Yeah.
Oh,
so
I don't know. I wonder what it's going to do. Is it going to print hello?
Yeah. So it printed hello.
No. Wow.
And then
that's crazy. Okay, after this lesson, am I gonna learn how to make like an app that's gonna make me a billionaire?
Yeah, pretty much. Close enough, you know, if you keep going on it. Okay, we're gonna change the program. Like I said, it's like a to-do list, right? So the first thing on the list is just saying print hello, and then it's just done. So can you change it to print anything else? So you can go ahead. All right, yeah, so it worked out. It prints out that instead. Like I said, it's a to-do list, so we can add things to the to-do list. So can you make it print it twice?
Dude, I feel so self-conscious about like my typing speed right now.
What's your typing speed? Mine's pretty slow, actually.
It's like, really? What's yours?
Yeah, like 85.
It didn't work. 85?
I know, I'm definitely lacking.
Never mind. I'm not self-conscious about mine anymore.
Yeah.
I was like at least 110.
That's crazy. That's really good. I know, I'm trying to get it up. It worked. It's because it worked, yeah. So like I said, the to-do list goes and it prints it twice because this is like, you know, instruction 1 and instruction 2. And then this is when we run the program, it outputs it into this window right here. The next part is called variables. So what a variable is, like in math, you have X and Y, right? And these are variables, but I think in programming, you can think about it like that, but I think a more efficient way to think about it is kind of you're putting a value into a box. So you have a value 4, like the number 4, and you have a box labeled X, and you just put the 4 into the box. So this is essentially your program storing information as you go down the list of to-do list. In the first thing, you're saying, okay, put 4 into X, and then you can use X any way you want, and it's stored in the box. So yeah, like I said, we put 4 into the box, which is X, labeled X, and then we're saying print X. And what this does is it's a variable, so it sees what is X, and it's 4 because we set it to 4. Another instruction that we have is input. Input lets you talk to your program. So here, pretty much it's gonna say, give me a number, and it's a question, so you can type in whatever number you want and it's going to store it in Y.
It's actually a statement.
It is, yeah. My bad. Thank you. So yeah, if you want to click run and then yeah, you can just try it out.
And then what?
Oh yeah, so you just click in the black box and type in whatever you want. You give it a number.
And then?
Perfect, yeah.
What do I do?
You press enter, my bad, you press enter, saying that you're done with it. So yeah, it's set 69 to Y and then it prints it out. So pretty much we're like building the fundamentals, like these are building blocks that we're gonna be able to do cooler stuff with. The purpose of a program usually is to do things that humans, or to do things more efficiently or faster than humans. And this is like one reason why we need programs. Another reason is it can do computations that humans physically can't. If we're gonna make like a calculator, I guess you can try it. So we're gonna try to input two numbers and then add them together and then print out the sum. So you can try that out.
What do you mean try that out? What do I do?
My bad.
Am I supposed to type something?
Yeah, I was expecting. I guess
don't know.
That's on me. So remember the to-do list, right? So
wait. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be X and Y, right?
Yeah, we can take out the beginning part.
And then can I take this part away too?
Yeah, perfect.
And then X equals input. Give me second number. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
And then print. Did I spell it? Yeah. Print?
Yeah.
Can I do plus?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So that's perfect. So you can give it a try.
Okay, it didn't work.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, now it looks good. So yeah. Yeah. Amazing job. So the reason why it wasn't working is just we had to input it and tell the computer that we're gonna give it a number. So now we did that.
Yeah, I just don't understand why when I wrote the print X plus Y, you were like, oh yeah.
Oh, because if it's still print X plus Y, it'll work. Just because it's the same thing, like Z is equal to X plus Y. The reason why it wasn't working was because it thought we were giving it text. So like if you said hi and then hi again, it would be hi twice. Like you can't add those up.
I need to write int.
Yeah, exactly. So this is
intentionally feed.
Yeah. The next part is control flow or conditionals. Control flow or conditionals will let us change the behavior of the program based on everything else that's happening inside the program. So what I mean is that in your to-do list, you can have if and else. Your to-do list can change based on maybe like the weather, right? The temperature. You can say if it's hot today, then you'll stay inside as part of your to-do list. Like you'll do whatever you want inside. And then if it's cold, then you can go out for a run or something like that. So the same concept is in the program. And so we have conditions inside these parentheses. What I'm telling you right now is kind of just syntax or how you would write the program that the computer would understand. So it's kind of like how we agree to speak English. Like we're just saying, okay, the computer, we're talking in a way that you can understand. So if the temperature is 80, right? I guess you can try it. Pretty much you just go through like a to-do list. And let's say if it's hot, then you're going to print out like whatever you want, like it's hot today or something. And then if it's not hot, then you can print out that it's not hot. And this way we could like use a computer program to, I guess, detect if it's hot or not.
I don't get it. Wait, what does the temp equals 80 mean?
Oh, this means that I just set it to 80. It's like any number, but it's saying that this is 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
If it's less than if it's more than 80, then I print it's hot.
Yeah, exactly.
So if temp, is this a symbol that I can use?
Yeah.
Greater than 80?
Yeah, that's perfect.
What about greater or equal then? What if it's equal to 80?
It depends if you consider 80 to be hot or not.
No, but like, do I put an equal sign?
Oh yeah, if you want it to be, sorry. So this is just syntax.
Okay.
It's just like how you would talk to the program. And for the people watching, if you're learning how to code, you can just search it up, like Python syntax, and then you'll learn this. Okay, yeah, so you're doing great. And
print?
Yeah.
It is hot. Like that? Do I need quotation marks?
Yeah, you need quotation marks.
Else, print, it is ugly.
There we go. So the to-do list, it goes just like a to-do list. It takes into account the other things that are happening inside the program, and it chooses to branch off and do different things based on what's happening. So I guess you play League, right?
Yeah.
So let's say like inside the League program, they have conditionals to tell you what rank you are. So like, let's say you have 10 kills, right? So like we're simplifying it, but the League program would say, okay, you have like this amount of kills, and it'll give you an S rank if it's like above 15 or something. I don't know. So, so yeah, I guess if you wanna make that, we can.
So like if kills greater than or equal to 10?
Yeah, sure, that works. If you're saying above 10 is S rank.
What the fuck is S rank?
I thought you played League. Like there's after the match, it's like they rank you.
I meant like actual. Okay, well. Whatever.
Okay, challenger. Yeah. No. Yeah. So after the game, it can tell you what your rank is. The next thing that we're gonna do is loops. You can make your program repeat portions of itself to do cool stuff. So there's a while loop. This will make everything happen inside the while loop until this condition is false.
What is the hashtag?
This is a comment, so it doesn't affect the code in any way. Yeah. Can you print 1, 2, 3, 4?
Like what I'm doing?
One on each line. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. 3. Am I typing it right?
Yeah, no, it looks great. So you can run that.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's perfect. But if we had to print out 1 to 1,000,000, we would have to like write our to-do list to be super, super long, right? So instead, we can use a loop, which is gonna repeat portions of our code until a condition is not true. We can just set a variable.
Let me type out all of that just to prove a point.
Yeah, my bad. You did great though.
Okay, thank you.
So we can use variables. Like we're gonna build up on what we had before. We can use variables. So X will start as 1, and we want to print out X every time until it's 4, right?
I don't know why I deleted it. X equals X plus 1, like that?
Yeah. So then we just gotta change the conditional.
While X, what number?
Let's do 4, and then you can run it. Yeah, we can try it.
Why did it? Oh, it's from the thingies. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, very, very nice. So now if we wanted to make it any number, like you can change the number to anything you want, and the program is still super short, and it will run the while loop until the condition becomes false.
Holy fuck. Okay.
Yeah. So you can imagine like as a human, you would have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4 every time or something like that if you wanted to like write it out into an Excel file for whatever reason. But with programming, you could just do it, and it takes less than a second.
You sound like that. You sound like that one kid at like the school club fair who like is like captain of the chess club or some shit, and they're stopping by your table, and you're just like, "See, this is why it's so cool. This is so great."
All right. Don't worry, it's gonna get cooler. It's gonna get cooler. This is just like the boring part. Don't worry. So this is like just like computer science programming stuff, which is stuff that enables like anything that we use pretty much in terms of tech. But what's cooler is that with programming, you can connect to anything online. So remember that programming does what humans can do, but faster, can and can't do, but faster. So let's say you want to see information about people on TikTok. So here we have some code. Like this is just setup stuff, but here's the actual program. So
what did you just do?
So ignore this part. This is just setting like the connection. You can think about like that, like a connection with TikTok. And then once we're connected to TikTok, we can do things that humans can do, but just way faster. So if you imagine a lot of people on Instagram, you know how they like follow and unfollow people?
Mm-hmm.
You could do that manually, right? You can like follow a bunch of people and then the next day like unfollow them. And that's how people like, I don't know, used to get a lot of followers. But with programming, you can just have it run every day and do it all for you. And you wouldn't have to lift a finger.
Is that what you did?
I did that like for a YouTube video, yeah. Okay.
So that's why you're only following 20 people.
What's up?
That's why you're only following 20 people. Because you used a fucking computer program to unfollow everyone.
No. That was different. I have like a different page. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So do you have a TikTok on any chance? All right. So you can just type it in here. And what this is gonna do
to my account?
No, nothing. This is just having your username. Like I don't have your password, so it's not gonna do anything.
I don't trust you. I feel like you can hack my bank account and shit.
Nah.
Don't take my idea. I saw that picture.
What picture?
The picture of the guy who was like, "Can you hack into someone's bank account and you give me?"
Oh,
don't take my idea.
Yo, you stalked me.
Yeah, of course I stalked you.
So you can just click run.
Okay.
And then see what happens. So what this does, it's gonna give you your description.
Why is it red?
Oh, I don't.
Did you fuck up again?
Hold on, we have to like install some stuff. I'm just gonna have to cut this part out.
You keep messing up. What are your viewers gonna think when they see you continuously mess up code? They're
gonna see how good I am at editing. All right, so this is just like downloading stuff that we need to run the program.
Okay. Hypothetically, are you hackersman?
What do you mean hackersman?
Oh shit, I forgot. Your hackersman is like can you hack people?
People? Nah, I don't think like a lot of people can hack people. I think like the main way people get hacked is just like clicking something and then like putting their password in, and then the person has their password. I think like people like websites are pretty secure nowadays that you can't just like find someone's password without them messing up on their own.
So would you be able to find my password though?
Nah. I don't think people can't really do that unless you mess up. But what you can do is like, I don't know, like video games that you have to like pay for it. You can crack video games, or like if you wanted Adobe Premiere or something, you could crack Adobe Premiere or anything.
What?
Yeah. That's why you see like cracked pirated versions. It's just people going into the program and then I guess if you want to call it hacking it.
Did you get Adobe Premiere for free? What is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to print out your description and like your statistics, like how many followers you have and stuff. And then the idea behind that is that if you're like an advertisement company, you can just go through all of TikTok and just see who has like a keyword, I don't know, like gaming.
What the fuck?
And then you can like contact them. You can send them a DM. And you don't have to have like anybody do it. The computer would just do it for you.
What? That's crazy. That's so...
Are you faking enthusiasm right now?
No, that's creepy.
Why is it creepy?
It's not creepy. It's like crazy.
Oh yeah, that's why
you can send it from like your account or something, so it seems like a real person.
Yeah, no, you log into the account and then you DM people. Yeah, like you don't have to.
Oh my god!
It just happens in like a second, so you can send it to like 1,000 people in 1 second.
That's those random accounts who are like, "Hey, you should DM our main account for like a Instagram whatever thing."
Yeah, most likely.
You know?
Yeah, I know those ones. Yeah. So most likely.
Oh my god!
They're just running
it's a fake
program.
person.
Yeah.
I responded to one of them and I was like, "Shut the fuck up," and they didn't respond because it was a computer.
It was. So the reason why it's not working is because we have to use this online editor, so it's kind of weird.
What is the cookie shit and like the API shit?
This is just connecting to TikTok. Like we're using a library, like somebody else's code. So we only have to use like a couple of lines of code that connect to TikTok.
Okay, when you do comp sci in school, do they teach you this shit?
No, so they teach you this stuff, like what we did in the beginning, right? Like that kind of stuff. And then if you want to make stuff like TikTok bots and Instagram bots and things like that, like you just do it on your own. But the stuff that we learned in the beginning will let you do that. And it's that's why I think it's kind of cool.
Wait, so oh my god, it's fucking bitches like you who are fucking I keep getting follow botted on Twitch.
What's the reason for that?
Saying. It's more of like a disruption to the stream. Because like it like spams the chat and then I have to go and remove them from my account, which like it's just like a bother. But it's like what you're doing, right?
Yeah, you might get technically
you could set up like a program to make like 100 fake followers like follow my Twitch at once, right?
Yeah, essentially. But the thing is that with programming, you could stop that. So there's people at Twitch that are writing programs so that it'll detect it, and so you don't have to deal with it.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm trying to do.
And then there's other people who are making them.
Yeah. But yeah, you can put your username on line 12.
I don't want to show you my TikTok stats. I just made it like last week.
Okay, well, I have 15 followers.
Okay, never mind. It's stuck.
Nah, it's just running. Yo, yeah, see, you're popping off. It's pretty much just based on like the stuff that we learned in the beginning and just knowing how to talk to the computer and understanding that it's just a to-do list. Like first, it just sets this up and then it says, put the variable, like your username into username. And then this is just a call to the, like somebody else's code that will send it to TikTok, and TikTok will send us back your description and how many likes you have and things like that.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah, that's about it. Oh, do you have any like questions or anything like that? Just wondering.
Nope.
Okay.
Wait, how do you pronounce your name?
Nay. Hi guys, so that's about it. Huge thank you to Fan for agreeing to do this. So guys, go subscribe to her. She makes gaming and just chatting videos. They're pretty entertaining. But just between me and you guys, do not be a tier 3 sub. Before you donate to anybody, including me, I'll say before that, just focus on yourself. Like, if you guys know Uncle Kenny, so he used to do this a lot, and now he's in jail. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Real quick, if you guys want an update on my life, I'm in Chicago now. I'm doing like a coding, like software engineering internship in Chicago. This is my place. It's pretty nice. It's a little messy. And yeah, guys, if you guys do like coding and stuff, they will literally pay you. I guess not. No, they'll pay you and they'll pay for your housing. So that's pretty cool. Honestly, I don't know why I'm selling coding so much. It's like I think I'm the CEO of coding or something. But yeah, that's about it. I guess subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email.